Hey guys, it's Sid with SVTPerformance.com. We got both these Bronco Raptors here, but there's a definite difference between the two of them. Besides, I own one and Ford owns the other. This one's modified with a set of SPD downpipes with a set of Jesse Cats on it. This, of course, is stock exhaust. And since we got both of them sitting right here, we thought we'd show you guys, or let you hear, what the difference between aftermarket downpipes, factory downpipes. So, in order to make this easier for me to edit, when you see the tail lights on one of these things, that means the exhaust noise is coming from that one. So we're going to do some revving, starting, things like that. If you see tail lights, that's the one the exhaust sound's coming from. All right, we're going to start with the silver Bronco with the factory exhaust. Start her up here. Let your cold start up, as much of a cold start up as you can get when it's 94 degrees outside. Go through, turn off all our check engine lights and whatnot here. And we'll go to quiet mode. And let's give it a few revs. That's about 4,200 RPMs. All right, now we're in my personal Bronco Raptor with the SPD exhaust system. Let's fire it up here. That's your cold startup noise. We go to quiet mode. Now we got normal mode on the stock exhaust system. Now we'll do normal mode with the SPD exhaust system. You are going to hear the Turbo Smart blow-off valve as well. Stock exhaust system in sport mode. Now we've got sport mode with the SPD downpipes and the Jesse Cats, and again you're going to hear that Turbo Smart blow-off valve. And now we have Baja exhaust mode on the stock system. And finally we have Baja mode with SPD downpipes, Jesse Cats, and the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. We'll stretch her out to 42 to 4,500 RPMs this time. So there you have it, factory exhaust system versus SPD downpipes with the Jesse Cats plus a Turbo Smart blow-off valve to add extra spiciness. We're actually revving this one about 200 to 500 RPMs higher than ours, and you can tell like you get a much throatier growl with the SPD downpipes. So definitely enjoy that. It just kicks things up a notch. I really enjoy the sound of it. It's wicked sounding on a cold start, but hope you guys like this little comparison, just a little quick, easy thing we can do. If you guys are interested in seeing more of this kind of stuff, check out the channel. We got a ton of Bronco Raptor content. We got more coming out all the time, so subscribe so you don't miss it. If you want some of this sweet SVT Performance merch, links in the description below to head over to SVTPerformance.com. We have tons of articles on Bronco Raptors and all the mods that we've done to ours, plus taking this one out on the beach and towing with that one. There's a lot of stuff over there. Just check out the links in the description. As always, subscribe, like, share, post it on Twitter. Do whatever you want to do. It would help us spread this information out there, and it motivates us. The more people that watch this stuff, the more we want to get out and shoot more videos. So appreciate you guys watching this far along. For those of you who have stuck around, thank you. We'll see you in the next one.